How to create and customize a bar chart in Microsoft Word. First, open your Word document and go to the Insert tab. Then click Chart in the Illustration section. In the Insert Chart window, select Bar from the left side. Here, you'll see different bar chart styles. Choose the one you want, such as Clustered Bar, and click OK. Word will insert the chart and open a small spreadsheet. Replace the sample data with your own information. Once you're finished, close the spreadsheet. To move the chart, select the Layout Options button. Choose a text wrapping option such as Tight. Then you can drag the chart to your preferred position. You can also resize the chart by dragging any of the corner handles. To change the chart title, click Chart Title and enter your own title. You can also add elements such as data labels, legend, and axes using the Chart Elements button. To change the chart's appearance, select the chart and go to Chart Design. From here, you can choose different chart styles or use Change Colors to select a different color combination. If you need to edit the chart data later, select the chart. Click Edit Data.
And update the information in the spreadsheet, the chart will automatically update. And that's how you can create and customize a bar chart in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow for more Microsoft Word tips, tutorials, and the latest tech updates. Thanks for watching.